This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Judy Burkhart. This is a second-floor corner unit with a panoramic view of the golf course, fountain and lake. Relax on your baloncy that has epoxy flooring plus sliding glass doors from the living area. The unit is being sold furnished. Carpeting the living area and bedrooms about 3 years old, owner lived here seasonally, painted area was done 3 years ago too. Sofa bed. AC 2017 refrigerator 2016. Kitchen cabinets have been refaced and Miroln dual sink, filter water. Both bedrooms have walk-in closets. Impact windows. Take a look and learn more about all the amenities MYCC has to offer. For more information, review the details below or contact Judy Burkhart at 772-219-1111.